life was dull until you came. Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. So today I'm sharing a power hour clean with me, and before I set my timer to 1 hour, I wanted to write down everything I needed to get done around my house so that I could prioritize the areas that really needed attention on this day. These are actually one of my favorite cleaning videos to film for you guys because they always get me super motivated to get as much as I can done within the time limit. So if you are needing some major cleaning motivation today, get you up and moving, make sure to keep on watching, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and with all of that being said, let's get started.
I wanna get closer, wanna come over.
So every time I do these power hour clean with me's, I like putting a load of laundry in the washer, so that is what I'm doing right now. And I also noticed that my washer and dryer were super dusty and really needed a good wipe down, and this wasn't actually on my list, but I decided to just go ahead and do it and get it over with because it really needed to get done.
And we can be brilliant without millions.
Alright guys, so now I'm moving on to my master bedroom, and all I really needed to do in here was tidy up a bit, make the bed, and polish all of the furniture. As you can see, it was super dusty, and our furniture tends to collect dust daily, so I constantly have to keep up with it.
Diss me, say you really miss me. We can watch stars, yeah. We can dance on top of cars, yeah. We can make billions, not zillions. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down, move around. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down, move around.
Alright guys, so if you are cleaning along with me, let me know what is on your to-do list right now. I would love to know. And if you are cleaning with me, I hope this is giving you the motivation you need to tackle your to-do list.
skies and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you think and I don't really care about.
So if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I would like to introduce myself a bit. My name is Sydney and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom of twin 2-year-old boys who will be turning 3 in a couple of weeks. And I enjoy making a lot of cleaning motivation videos here on my channel, as well as lifestyle and motherhood content. So if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you check out my other content. And I would love it if you would consider subscribing and joining my YouTube channel. And thank you all so much for supporting me and being here. I recently reached 1,000 subscribers and I am so thankful for every single one of you for deciding to click on this video and watching it and, you know, continuing to support me through this journey. I am so grateful and I appreciate you guys. And also make sure you guys stay tuned. I will be having a giveaway that is coming up very soon, so you won't want to miss out on that one. Make sure you have your bell notification turned on.
Anywhere, the way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you were saying I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Alright guys, so now that my master bedroom is pretty much all clean and tidy, I wanted to move on to the playroom, and as you can see, it was a complete mess. I usually don't tidy it up every single day, maybe every couple of days, and when it gets this bad, it just drives me crazy. I just thought it really needed to get tidied up. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing just that, and then sweeping or vacuuming. Didn't have time to mop the floors, but you will see later on how much I was able to get done. So make sure you keep on watching.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The siren will you'll bite your tongue, knowing it's forever young. No, listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium.
Alright guys, so the playroom is nice and tidy, and as you can see, Noah is already going through his toys, but that's just mom life right there, and I'm just glad it's not a complete mess anymore. And now I'm just moving on to the living room and tidying it up. There was random toys everywhere over here as well. My boys love bringing their toys over here, even though we have a playroom, which, you know, I don't mind. They just love being close to me and wherever I am. I'm just going to be tidying it up, and I will be finished shortly.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after
Alright guys, so my time is finally up, and I am so proud of myself for getting most of my list complete. I wasn't able to mop, clean the table, or fold all of my laundry, which is honestly 90% of the time. But I truly hope this video inspired you to set your timer to 1 hour and write down the things you really want to get done within that time, and see how much you are able to accomplish. You will be amazed of how much you're able to get done in that time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.